What's a poppin', Pisces? I'm Laurelle, and welcome to Pisces Pop in this mother sucker, baby. You already know I love you. Go ahead and put some chocolate on in the algorithms. Hit that like, share, and subscribe button for your girl. Make sure you guys check out the Mother's Day reading and also the weekend reading. All the shit should be down in the description box down below. You already know what time it is. Happy Mother's Day to all of my Pisces, okay? Now, with that being said, you guys better be lighting up, smoking up, toking up, drinking up, and kicking your Piscean motherfucking feet up, baby. We about to see what's going down. Who's coming towards you? Who, what, when, where, why, and how. So, you better be giving yourself an ass clap, a hand clap, a ball clap, and a pussy clap, jack motherfucking clap for all of my ladies out there. You know what time it is. And I don't need no trick ass shit, no mark ass shit, no bitch ass shit, because I will be talking about your partner, your person, your shoulda, woulda, couldas, have nots, maybes, possiblies, whatever the case may be. If your ass is sensitive, go on and click the fuck on off. I hope we're clear. Let's see what's up. Spirits, you are always welcome into this reading, and pull up on a hoe. So give it to me for my Pisces spirit. You must sage the cards for all of my Piscean gods, baby. All right, now listen. It could be some sort of switch up or something that you expected, because I did see superstitious as I was pre-shuffling the deck. So I don't know if this is candles or intuition or whatever the fuck it may be in your life. Y'all already know what time it is, okay? Now listen, if your ass take this reading personal, go and get yourself a personal reading. All right, here we go. Give it to me for my Pisces. I did see in the smoke, look like somebody trying to push through a door, or they trying to push something open or something like that. Let me put this bitch on Do Not Disturb. All right. I could have sworn I had it on Do Not Disturb. All right, give it to me for my Pisces spirit. Give it to me for my Pisces. Who's coming towards my Pisces? What do they need to know about? Fantasy. Okay, so something you envisioned, something that you dreamt of, that you've seen with your own eyes, that's coming towards you. Give it to me for my Pisces spirit. We have Gatekeeper and Kiss of Death. Also, Knees and Envy. Okay. Devil's Tower. So definitely some sort of changes. Okay. But fantasy though. Okay, I'll take it, baby. So this could be your creativity, imagination. Okay. Cartoon land. Envisioning. Manifestations. Hey, also somebody want a fantasy with you or something. I told y'all it was some sort of booty party or something yesterday going on now in my cards. Okay, now y'all know your girl is celibate. Okay, I am the hermit, bitch. Okay, so I know all about it. All right, but I know when it's booty party in my cards. Give it to me for my Pisces. What do they need to know about? Sign your name. Okay, so some sort of title here. Okay, this also could be paperwork. Okay. I'm also getting titles, or you're going to be putting your John Hancock on that motherfucker. Pisces. Give it to me for my Pisces. What do they need to know about? You have Dingleberry, so this could be waiting, okay, or in the waitings for something. This is also being in suspense. Give it to me for my Pisces. Drip. Oh. Okay. So some of y'all about to let it all hang out. Okay, you got Suck Toes and Tyrone, also Throne of Gold. And Clout. Tyrita here. So it could be some sort of couple. Tyrone and Tyrita. Yeah, I made them cards from Dave Chappelle. That little crackhead couple. You hear me? Okay, also light one up. Copy and paste. So whatever this is, Pisces. Drip is still at the bottom of the deck. As I've already shuffled the cards twice. Okay, so this also could be something about a car here as well too. Coming up for the week. I'm also getting an X could be here, or X could be showing up. Looking for my Pisces. Little radio. And uh-oh. What's this about, Spirit? Coming up. And cutthroat. Superstitious and scoping hard. Also wash thine ass. Oh. Okay, so somebody's watching, looking, listening, pulling up your profile. Okay, trying to gain some sort of clout. Okay, also something about time or your timing, punctuality, or something with some progress here. Okay, or something that this could be, you know, time, waiting on time, day, month, minute, shit, hour. If there is a such thing as time. Okay, time is relative to money, nigga. Okay, some of y'all could be writing some new formulas and equations and shit. Okay, but I'm also getting, this is something that's speeding up here. All right, you have something with tech. Okay, I'm also getting something with digits or AI, satellite dishes. Okay, computers, whatever the case may be. Okay, I'm getting something about a projector or electrical circuits or something. Especially with this scope and hard, this could be surveillance. Okay, also abundance is coming your way, so you can ready to stack some things, or this could be monetary gain here as well too. This also could be something with insurance or growth. Man, where does shit keep going at? Okay, now y'all know we still in Mercury retrograde now. We got a few more days. Okay. And does the shadow period fall off to the wayside? Okay, but I'm seeing some sort of some security or some solidarity or something like that. This also could be you manifesting some things, like I said. I'm also getting a new beginning here with this full. Something to laugh at. Some sort of originality, Pisces. Okay, also a new world order or some sort of new world. Okay, you could be taking a risk or some sort of risky energy. Risky behavior. Okay, also something that's going to keep you joyful, keep you uplifted. Okay, this could be dealing with traveling or taking a journey, or this could be your actual journey here. Give it to me for my Pisces. You have Justice. Also, 7 of Cups. 8 of Cups. So you're walking away from something. Temperance energy and Page of Swords. Yeah, something is under surveillance. This also could be 10. Oh, 10. Oh. 10 of Cups and also 6 of Cups. Could be something that you're being gifted here, but there's about to be some sort of family happiness or... Bitch, when's the last time this actually happened in your life? Okay, somebody from your past might want some sort of family or some sort of stability here or something. Okay, 2 of Cups and also Hierophant. What's this about, Spirit? The Tower, Queen of Cups, and also 9 of Wands, King of Cups. Give it to me for my Pisces, Spirit. Page of Pentacles and 2 of Pentacles. Okay, also Judgment and 6 of... Okay, Devil. What's this about? Could be going back and forth about a contract. Hermit energy here. Okay, also High Priestess coming towards you. Okay, so this could be you looking at your investments. Also with the Hermit energy here, this could be actually like materialized items or something like that. Okay, you're getting some sort of guiding light. Hangman. Okay, also 3 of Wands and Ace of Cups. Ace of Swords. Damn. It's nothing but new beginnings here. King and Queen of Pentacles right behind each other. Look, bitch, I can't even help but not smoke. Something about some finances or something that's coming together as a couple, or could be something very earthly here. 10 of Pentacles. Okay, also Ace of Wands. This is definitely a new beginning. Okay, Page of Wands and 5 of Pentacles. Also 10 of Swords. Okay, Death energy. Okay, and Emperor. 9 of Cups. So, whoever's coming your way, they might be upset or sad because you... things is moving for you or something like that. It's a lot. All the aces is here, big. All of them. Ace of Cups, Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Wands, and Ace of Swords. So, this might be the switch up. Give it to me for my Pisces. Somebody might have to fill something in or add something to, or respect and learn. Who else is coming towards my Pisces for the week? We have Reckless and Little Pookie. He also level up. My Supernatural. Oh. That's some heavenly shit right here, baby. What's this about, Spirit? What's me for my Pisces? Oh, Incognito. Bando. Inform. Also ball, clap. And booty meat. Too many people. And don't fuck with me. Also made it out the hood and lusty. And damn. X is for a reason. Here's me for my Pisces. What do they need to know about shopping and after party? In year, some sort of commitment year or something like that. Okay, also Mating Souls War Story and Hood Rat. And reality. You might be getting a lot of elderly advice or something, but we have down bad and fetish. What's this about? Bold face, lying, knock, knock. Okay, also Day Ones and Karmic and Night Rider. Okay, so something might get locked up, or something might be being closed out here. You have internet. And Goopy. Also snitches get stitches and love. What the fuck is going on in my cards? Alright, here we go. Could be some sort of message or something like that that's coming your direction. Okay, or somebody knocking at your door. And days. Okay, this could be some keys and a lock. Okay, but I'm seeing nothing but new beginnings here, shit, bitch. All the aces flapped out in the Supernatural. Dingleberry, so it's saying just wait on it. Okay, give it a couple of days or something like that, or yeah, 9-9. Okay. Whatever this superstitious is, baby, this miracles of beginnings or something more. Alright, here we go. Straight up new beginnings. Okay, you also might be initiating something, or fantasy. Very interesting reading already. Straight up, this definitely could be dealing with your possessions or something like that, or some of you guys' time is changing here. Chariot energy. Made it out the hood, though. So it looks to me like you established something here, or little radio. Uh-oh. They also cutthroat, snake eyes. Young grasshopper, something's missing, and what you gonna do about it? Who else is coming towards my Pisces? So you gotta watch this motherfucker. Okay, you got blocked. And trip once again. Okay, let me get this other deck. Shit. What's in before my Pisces? What do they need to know about? Who's coming towards my Pisces? We have share, spicy, and babble. Also strange love. Somebody just talking. Open and close. Also some sort of drama and power. Okay, yeah, trust. Also goat. And manipulate. What's in before my Pisces? Who's coming towards my Pisces? I did see another Pisces as well. Give it to me for my Pisces. What do they need to know about, Spirit? Photograph. Paradise. Happiness, expansion, joy, playfulness, oneness, enjoying each other, and looking at your photographs, missing you, nostalgia, and making new memories. Okay, also, like I said, some sort of keys here or something like that. Or a time. Something about time. You also have sudden change, shocking news, surprise, epiphany, upheaval, and transformation. Also healthy choices and cassette. So something that's outdated, conditioning, replaying events over in your head, and ascension. Okay, obstacles, learning, expansion, new phase, and preparing for union. We also have talking, a soulmate. And dragonfly, interested, conversing more, awaiting messages arrive, text, call, email, and hovering. This could be some sort of agreement or a contract, soul contract, or some sort of connection here. You also have to be lighthearted, finding out things to come to light, adapt, change, and heal. Also, there is a snake here, okay? We have the serpent, also competition, enemy, clever, malicious, look open over your shoulders, the other woman, and also kisses, and karmic relationship here. Right underneath that is self-indulgence. Focus on self-worth, time to heal. Shadow work, self-appreciation. So sometimes you just got to ass clap for yourself. Shit. But you also have coffin. So endings bring new beginnings, world change, liberation, and transition. Okay, and also palm tree. So whatever this is, it could be that somebody feels like they need to set something up or they planning a date or... Okay, but also girl with the snake, empath, narcissist, being charmed or used, enabled, and boundaries. Okay, also passion, insane chemistry, like each other equally, and having fun. So let's take a look at this energy. Who's coming towards my Pisces for the week? Got fire house, so Leo, Sagittarius, Aries. Who's in before my Pisces, Spirit? Also some sort of abundance. It says, keep a positive mindset, manifest exactly what you want, gratitude and bliss. So there's some sort of changes that's getting ready to come to you. Could be an Aquarian here as well too. Give it to me for my Pisces, Spirit. Arrows and gaslighting. So this could be a possible Gemini, Libra, Aquarius here. Okay, but you already know what time it is. Stealing identity and social media. Okay, also side piece. Shapeshifter, control damage, a damage control. Damn, I just said it all kind of different, huh? Bitch, let me take a drink, okay? What? All right. So you got a snake ass shapeshifter here, somebody who's upset. This is here for Spirit. Broken promises. Falling apart. Stop. What's in me for my Pisces? Also stiff wig. Okay, Ebonics and Sleepy Town and Ass Kisser. Also ego battle. So yeah, they're struggling with something. Grandma's Garden and Too Many Secrets. Bando and Chill. And Water Hose at the bottom of the deck and Blacklisted. Whoever this is, they might be... I don't know, you got computer, phone, broken, crash, so that just might be breaking. Okay, and salty. Yeah, it also could be something about some hood magic or... Now, hopefully I don't have to keep explaining the cards every time I break these motherfuckers out. Okay, somebody's salty about your natural abilities. Okay. But Water Hose, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, and also self-destruction. Hey, also could be somebody who's, I don't know, they might be talking about her or something, or happened too fast. Ooh, it's getting juicy, baby. Okay, but somebody is ratchet, honey, with anger issues. You got crap for help and out of control. Also happened too fast. And drunk auntie. Okay, and drunk uncle. So something getting ready to happen too fast for them, but you got, you know, the real damn is salty. There could be some sort of good news or something that you got, or but you know the real damn. Okay, I'm gonna get my nudie deck. But you got drip here, so you about to I don't know, maybe somebody got some bad faucets or some sinks or something, or bitch, I don't know. But supernatural is real. Okay, definitely could be that good news that you're about to receive, Pisces. You hear me? Okay. But you know the real damn ratchet. Alright, here we go. Give it to me for my Pisces. What do they need to know about? What do they need to know about, Spirit? Who's coming towards them? We got Master. Oh. Pisces. Count at the bottom of the deck. So you already know it's something you mastered here. You just have to count. Okay, you also have at the house. In or out. And the star, also perfect motherfucking timing. Oh, honey, this is looking like the whole heavens has opened up for you. Girl. You also have an Aquarian energy here. Okay, Isaac spine here as well too. Like I said, somebody's got you under surveillance. And then we have scandal. What's the scandal about? Drive-by and tower. And eat the cake. Okay, also lip service and moon and he devil. Also pop up. What's this about, Spirit? I say cheese. It's time to smile, ain't it, Pisces? Okay. What's going on with these people? These outside folk. We have location, lovers, and friends. Sun. Okay, also games and love Jones. Early morning. And sleep. And throne of gold. Also ancestors at the bottom of the deck. What I tell you? So whatever this is on your end of the bargain, baby, some of these folks having some issues with relocating or being able to make a move here, okay, or breaking free from something. Okay, definitely could be dealing with a possible Libra here. And we got sex shooter and voodoo dolls. Clarify this for me, Spirit. Smoke some weed and enemies. Also poison potion and love struck. What's this? Craft. Okay, crash, gossip and lies. So sign your name once again. So it's something about entitlement, but you got shifty switch here. Lights, camera, action. An extra. Also spell on you. What's a shifty switch? Pick up, caught, break up. Could be definitely dealing with a possible Pisces. Another Pisces here for sure. I'm tricky. In the mail. And also animals and somebody you know. Perfect timing once again. Secrets out. Rolls of reverse, gold, gems, and jewels, and debt paid off. So something's about to go into your favor, or you are just blessed, honey. Yeah, want what you got and come to me. And big money. So whatever this is something you protected and you covered in, or some of you guys have slipped out the door. Okay, this is some Houdini, abracadabra shit, and the heavens have opened up for you. Whatever it is you believe in out there, baby. Okay, I ain't here to judge now. I ain't here to convert. I ain't here to turn the snake into the snake. Oh, but I will tell you this: some of you guys you got perfect timing. Okay, this is extraordinary shit. Something you mastered, even though there could be somebody who's got some scandalous energy around them. You got some good news and shit. Okay, but you know the real damn straight ratchet. Alright, Pisces. I definitely just seen Mama's Boy and bad choices, so you probably already know exactly who I'm talking about. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Mm-mm-mm, mm-mm-mm, mm-mm-mm.